Crack goes the egg, peek goes the beak. Fluffy little duck says, "Let me sneak." Out pops a face, oh so sweet and meek. Waddle through flowers, sunshine so bright. Ducklings giggle in the morning light. Marching in a row, what a happy sight. Picnic time, what a tasty treat. Watermelons juicy, cupcakes sweet. Quack and giggle while they eat. Paddle, paddle, float along. Ducklings sing a splashing song. Glide through the pond all day long. Up in the sky, the kites fly high. Ducklings cheer and chase nearby, laughing under a breezy sky. Ring goes the truck, what a sound. Ducklings run from all around. Rainbow scoops so cold and round. Brushes swish, colors fly. Paint on feathers, oh my. Ducklings paint the bluest sky. Crackling fire, stars so bright. Ducklings cuddle in the night. Stories and songs bring pure delight.
Tuttuguttu.